Hi guys, this is Joanne again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been wanting to share this with you back when I was still in the office. I used to create tuna salad because it's just lightweight. It will not make you feel bloated for the rest of the hours. It doesn't make you feel sleepy or lazy after meal, which was very healthy for me and effective for a productive day, of course. So here's what you need. Number one, lettuce. I chopped that. The next one is cucumber. What I used here is Japanese cucumber. Kaartehan lang, pero syempre, you can use the regular ones. I used baby tomatoes on this video. The same, you can definitely use the regular ones. You might notice that this content is different from my previous vlogs, but I want my channel to be anything that will add value to you, anything that will contribute to either self-care or personal development. That is why I'm sharing this with you. Number 4, you will need tuna in can. I prefer the chunky ones. This one is Gold Sea in olive oil. I used lemon dressing. That's what I have for convenience since I used this in the office. But if you don't have a ready-made dressing, just use a lemon with olive oil. Next item that you'll need is salt and pepper. Maarte lang ulit. I have a pepper grinder in the office. These stuffs are actually my motivations to always create a healthy meal. I invested on some of these only to make sure I will not have excuses to be lazy to prepare my healthy meal for the day. See, what I even have here is a sea salt and a grinder. Grinding is just motivating, guys. You should try it. Oops, sorry. I hope you find these steps simple. Here's some of the other healthy food and snacks I created in our office pantry. Please comment down below if you like this video, and also if you want me to create these types of videos, please let me know. It motivates me. And thanks again for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!